How to reset your iPhone to the factory settings in 2023. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video, because it's actually not that hard. So yeah, all you basically want to do is simply go to the settings, then to general. And once you're here in the general settings, you want to scroll all the way down, and here we can see transfer or reset iPhone. If you click on there, this will pop up. So it says, prepare for new iPhone. Make sure everything is ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to back up. So if you have a new iPhone and you want to transfer everything to the new iPhone, then it's actually very easy, because like it said, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage, because they will give you like, I don't know, like an infinite amount of iCloud storage for 24 hours to transfer everything to the next phone, which is great. But if you don't care about all this and you don't even have a next iPhone, then simply all you can do is click on reset. And here you can click on reset all settings, reset network setting, keyword dictionary, home screen layout, location and privacy. Now, if you want to factory reset your iPhone, you want to click the top one. I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to do that. But this is basically where you can do this. And it's super easy because you just have to follow all the steps it just gives you. So yeah, make sure to do that. I hope this very quick video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.